Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are back with another video. Okay, in this video, we are going to make a login form, right? In the previous videos, we learned how to make a form, user form, like simple data entry form. But in this video, I will teach you how to make a like a login form that required password, and I will also teach you how to make a VB application editable only for the developer, not for any user, admin. No one can edit, right? And no one can see my code. Okay? So let's get started. First of all, I will go here, Visual Basic Studio, right? I have made here a login form. Here is my login form. I made it in Visual Basic. Okay, now I will show you what I done, what I have done. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, now if this is the login form, if I enter the correct username or password, it will show another form, and if I put the wrong, then it will show like message, error message, or wrong password message. Okay, first of all, just click like this. Okay, here is a message prompt. Please enter correct username and password. Okay, let me write wrong password, anything. Okay, login. And here it is also an error message. Now I am typing here a correct password, user A, and my password is what is the password? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, login. You can see here is another form, user form. I have not done anything in user form 1. We will do it in the next video. Okay, now I will show you another thing. If I close the VB application or user application, wait, Excel application. Okay, first we go here and let me run the program. Now, login form. Wait, sorry. Okay, let me run the program. Okay, now no one can edit my Excel code. And how I did it? Let me double click, and here I have a message box or input box. I will type my password here, and my password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I will enter. Now I can edit code in VBA window. Now if there is another thing. If I don't have any user, then I can register. Okay, for register, I have done here. Let me click here, register. For registration, they ask me my admin password. This password I will share with the user or my client, but my developer password is only for me. No one can enter in the Excel file or in VBA file. Okay, if I enter here my developer password, let me put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and here is another form. Okay, I have not entered any new form in registered window. I will create a window that can enter a user, or so that they put here name and password and they can easily log in into the another form. Now for exit, I will click here. My whole application is closed. Okay, now I will start again. I will restart my office, and here is my file. So what happened, what just had happened here, as I open my Excel file, there is a window of login is shown. Okay, login form is shown. Basically, I have put some sort of 2 lines of codes. It will hide my Excel window. Okay, and for going to the Excel window or Visual Basic window, I need to enter my password. If I put my password here, then I can enter into my screen. Okay, now you can see how good it is. Okay, now we will move forward to the coding, how I did that. First of all, let's go to the Visual Basic. Let me here is my user form. This user form is not the actual user form. I have put a picture here. This is a picture only. Okay, this is all picture. I made it in Canva, and you can see here is a text box and it is transparent. Here is also a text box, and in login I also put here a label, and it is also, you can see, let me show you. Wait, here it is. I can move it. Look, it is only just a label, and in register and exit is it also a label. Okay, and this is a picture. Okay, let me, oh, now what I did, first of all, I put a coding on label. Here it is my coding. Okay, label click. Okay, I put here if me dot text box one dot text, if in text box one is match with sheet one dot range with column E2 and with same password B2, then unload me and user form one dot show. User form one, what is the user form one? It is, you have seen the hello window screen. It is the user form one. Now, else if it not like that, my password or email is incorrect, then message box, please enter correct username and password, and clear all the entries. Okay, and there is no rocket science here, just a simple coding. For sign in button, your login or login button. Okay, now if we go to label 2, click label 2. Label 2 is registered. For register, it will ask for my admin password. I have written the line of code here, my pass and input box, and I give here input box is shown, and if I enter the correct password, then it will go to the another form. If I enter the wrong, then obviously it will show the message incorrect password. And for label 3, exit, it will clearly exit the window. Private sub, label this workbook dot save and application dot quit. Okay, acha. Okay, last thing, for developer password, how I put it, double click on image. Here it is the code. Okay, private sub image one, double click, and I have written the code like it's written in boolean. Password input box, it will show the input box and ask for my password. If pass is empty, then go to the wrong. If pass is correct, it will match it with the column of my Excel sheet B4. Then it will show the application and unload me. Okay, otherwise it will show the incorrect password, and the developer password is the only thing I will not share it with my client. Okay, so that they cannot see my code, or they cannot enter or alter my code or do anything with my code. Okay, only I can see my code. I can edit each and everything for my client. Okay, let's catch up in another video. Take care for now.